Hi RC, it's Miss Brock. Today I'm going to be making a very easy bread that you can make at home with your family. So first things first, anytime I'm doing any kind of work in the kitchen, I always wash my hands. So I'm going to go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so the first ingredient for this really easy bread is the flour. So we're going to need 3 1/3 cups of flour. So I'm going to push, I have this kind of measuring cup. You might have a different one at home. That's okay too. Actually, you know what? Let's use this one. We need 3 1/3 cups of flour. When I am measuring flour or any kind of dry ingredient, this is the best way to do it to make sure I'm accurately measuring. And that's 1 cup. 2 cups. 3 cups. And then I need 1/3. There's a little line on the inside. This one that says 1/3. So I have 3 1/3 cups of flour. I need to do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. One. 2. And I need 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll use iodized salt. Okay. So now I'm going to grab a spoon. And mix all my dry ingredients together. Quick. I'm going to get some milk. I need 10 ounces of milk, which would be up to here. Be really careful with those wet ingredients and make sure I look at eye level to make sure that they're accurate or not. This back. Milk. More. Last bit of milk. Actually going to start using my hands now. This is kind of the fun part about baking bread. Make sure all the wet and dry get mixed together. Okay, so my dough is nice and sticky. It's coming together nicely. I'm going to try to get some off my hands. I have a pastry cloth. You don't have to have one. You can just put it onto like a lightly floured surface. I'm I'm going to do mine on the pastry cloth because that's why I have it. So my stuff doesn't get so dirty. We'll get a tiny bit of flour on here so it doesn't stick to your surface, whatever surface you're using. And pull our bread in. We're going to very quickly knead the bread. We don't have to do it very often, many times, just enough to get it to kind of sit together or stick together. Maybe. This is a really fun dough. It sticks very well to you. Okay, friends, I think that looks pretty good. That's my bread dough. I'm going to grab the pan. I want to bake down. Bring it over. Okay, closer so you can see it. So for this kind of bread, we have to make it kind of like a flat, round loaf. If it's not flat enough, it won't cook properly, so nice, flat, round loaf. And then we're going to take a knife and make an X on the top. Score a deep X on the top so it bakes evenly. This is the bread we're going to bake. And you can see my oven is set for 375. It's going to be about 35 minutes, and then we will have fresh bread for dinner. And we'll come back when it's done. Okay, our timer went off and I took the bread out. It is ready to be eaten. It's not very brown. It's not a recipe that gets very brown, but if you listen, it sounds hollow on the inside. That tells me it's done. So this is a recipe that we have felt with our hands. We smell it when it's baking. We see that it is changing. And we taste it when we eat our dinner tonight. We're going to have some meatball soup and bread. And we can listen for the beep when the oven rings. So it's a great little recipe, and I hope you enjoy baking bread.